Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Before we get into the video, I just want to say I have a new product, the Mustang keychain. If you guys are interested, it comes with 3 different color: blue, red, and black. So I put the link in the description below. Check it out if you guys are interested. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my video. So today I found out that my radio screen is all pitch black. I don't know what's going on. So I turn it on, it does not work. I click on literally everything, still did not work. I took it for a drive, still does not work. So there are a few things that I was able to check. The first thing was check the fuse, make sure it's not blow out, and second thing is if that don't work, by unplugging and plug it back in those fuse, the next thing I would do probably pull the battery out, disconnect it and reconnect back and see if those two things will work. Otherwise I'll have to think something else. So for those who don't know what this is your car Bible, your owner manual. It's located under your glove compartment, hidden somewhere in there. So according to Ford customer support, they told me to check on fuse 32 and 33 in regards to my radio pitch black issue. So that is your fuse panel. So you can see a small box right here. It's actually like a latch here. You can just lift it up and the panel should come off. That's your fuse boxes. So to pull the fuses, you could just simply use your finger, pull it out. But I like to work smart by using like a plier. Easier to pull it out. That is the 2 fuses that you wanted to take out, 32 and 33. Let's pull it out and wait for 5-10 seconds and then put it back in. So as you can see, I got both fuses out. Now you want to check if this fuse actually broken. So if you look closely right there, you see there's a connection right in between. It's just like a light bulb. If the thing breaks, that means that the fuse is bad. That's a simple rule of thumb. I have waited about 5-10 seconds. Let's put it back in where the fuse is previously located. So the way you put the panel back, you see the hook over here, here, and here. If you look at the back, it has 3 panels. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this 2 things should insert back properly. Alright, so the fuse has been unplugged and plugged back in. Now see if the screen will back to normal. It fixed it. Look at that. Pulling out the fuse, back to normal. So for some of you, maybe by pulling the fuses might not work and fix the black screen issue. My second suggestion is pop up the hood and just to actually pull the battery out from the 2 connections, the black and red connections, and waiting maybe 5-10 seconds. In a way, you could think of it as like a hard reset, and then just put the battery back in, connect it carefully, of course, make sure you don't shock yourself, and just cross your finger and that may fix it. Okay, hey guys, thanks again for watching my video. Hope that helped for some people. Again, by unplugging the fuse 32 and 33, it fixes my issue. So for some of you, maybe have to unplug the battery, put it back in. So as always, thanks for watching. Cheers. Hey, don't forget to click and subscribe the button below. So Have a good day, guys. Cheers.